While you're at HSS, your health and safety are our responsibility. We have put many extra steps in place to make you feel comfortable and allow our staff to give you the best care possible while staying healthy. All clinical areas, including patient exam rooms, are extensively cleaned between each patient. All tables, surfaces, counters, controls, equipment, and monitors are wiped down with appropriate disinfectant. Visitors are limited. Our policy will continue to be updated as state and local regulations change. Ask your doctor's office if you have questions. You may also find up-to-date visitor information by visiting www.hss.edu/safevisit. We are also scheduling appointments to limit the number of patients coming in at a given time. All of our waiting areas have been changed to ensure social distancing, and patients are taken into the exam room as soon as possible to limit their exposure to others. On the day of your appointment, please wait to enter the building until your arrival time. If your appointment is at an HSS location outside of New York City, you will receive a text message telling you when we are ready for you to enter the building. When you arrive, we will check your temperature and ask you to complete a screening questionnaire. We will also give you a surgical mask. By asking all of our patients to wear a mask while at HSS, we can help better ensure your safety if you're not able to maintain distance from others. HSS staff will also be wearing surgical masks. Doctors, nurses, and other clinicians may be wearing eye protection as well. We will do our best to get you into your appointment and on your way home as quickly as possible.